Pocophone by Xiaomi, the master of speed. Maybe the hottest phone of 2018. This phone was released back in August 2018 and we got this phone after its 2 months of release in October 2018. If you search it in YouTube, you'll find hundreds of videos of this phone. But as we have our hand on this phone right now, then why don't we make a quick unboxing video of this phone? So with that being said, let's hop right into the video. First of all, let me clear, these aren't my hands, this belongs to Fat Bro, who has also sponsored us. So a big thumbs up to him. So now we can start the unboxing. So after opening the box, we get a compartment where we can find some papers and a transparent back cover. So after this, we found the phone itself. As it is an unboxing video, let's keep the phone aside for a moment. So after this, we get a charging adapter in the box. So this is a fast charger, which is quick charger version 3.0. And after that, we get a Type-C cable. And the very last product of this box is a SIM card ejector. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing to this channel. And once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.